Hey everyone, Jeremiah here. I've been watching a few YouTube videos over the past few days on DJI Mavic Air and DJI Spark flight distances. And one of the videos I came across was a guy that was trying to fly his drone across the bay and he lost signal when it returned home. Once he analyzed the data, he realized that he was holding the controller this way and the drone was over here. If he would have kept it in line with the aircraft, he probably would have made it to the other side. So what I want to go over with you guys today is a quick tip on how to keep your remote in line with your aircraft while you're flying it, especially if you lose sight of it, which obviously you shouldn't do. But if it happens, I'll show you how to keep it in line with the aircraft. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. And as you're flying, you want to take it in the map mode. Now you can keep the map small down here in the corner, but it's easier if you make it full screen. You'll notice once you're in map view that it's going to show you the map north, and no matter which way you turn the phone or however you're controlling the aircraft, it's not really going to show you which way you're pointing in relative to your aircraft. So what you want to do is you want to go to this little icon right here and you want to select that, and what that does is that puts it into track up instead of north up. And you'll see once you select that it puts a little blue beam in front of the way you're facing. So now when you turn the controller, that's going to turn. So right now it shows that I'm facing the drone, and if I turn it, see, now I'm pointing behind it a little bit, and now I'm parallel to it. So if I turn it back towards the aircraft, now I'm pointing at the aircraft again. And this is a great tip if you do happen to lose sight of it and you want to stay, directly in line of sight with the antennas so that you can get maximum signal. And this is an iPhone 5 SE. I'll show you on an iPad that you can do it as well. For some reason on my iPad it doesn't show you the direction off the blue dot that you're facing, but you can still line it up with the aircraft by just holding it in front of you and making sure that it's in line with the aircraft. Alright, so here it is with an iPad, and as you can see that when it's in north up, the whole map and everything turns. Switch the track up. Now if you square up from the bottom of the iPad to the blue dot, straight ahead of that dot is the way you were facing. So you can see it's not projecting it on here. As you turn it, as long as you stay square, now I'm in line with the drone. If I turn it back the other way, now I'm facing behind the drone. So you could still do it even though it's not broadcasting which way you're pointing. Just keep it square up against you and you'll be able to do it that way. Alright, so there's my quick tip for today. I hope you guys found some of this information useful. If so, please click on the subscribe button up above. I'm going for a goal of 1,000 subscribers, so I'm hoping that you can help me accomplish that goal. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. It's the interaction with you that helps me make these videos better and keeps me motivated to want to make more. So retake. Have a great day, guys.